watching Expo GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Hello, baby. I'll be having check as your mouth. I didn't know, bros. I Xposed GH, baby. I'll be ano. Michiao, every year and a part every baby. I will be ano. Michiao. And I must say, the BID ba. Namuguso. Chada. Nana kwa media kuna maduna sono. Aye. 2028 yeah, boba. Bank kaka. Yes, yeah, bank kaka. New force. Ya woho. Ya nkwa baby aye. Ye butu ho. And chada. Ya started campaign. Ya started importation. Yeka importation a eniama yekraba yemmamu ene Ghana nkanko eno na chada eka ho asem yenkotie chada mra na eba mechechire.
Vision is to create Western corridor, Eastern corridor, connect the country. We create distribution channels. What you say? Because me and my culture that I say, and no matter to free which the back room media and idea me free server boy a man that I'm yes man. I just see industrial platforms. Now no man ekotona yeah you have you are need to meet on biamo. So I can beton mom so I say logistics. As I say with this is so say I can say the problem high friend canal. So dredge ya nsuo no uyi debris uyi normal na oba nsuo no kwan na e fa kwan mu atenaba so ni river pra yeah okay unim oti okay sa nsuo mienu we e connect sea to the sea ada e wo river e hie nsuo no ye mfanya hwe anu ane nsuo no roshin ba na edin sa ase na sea defense kwali ho river ta no e kosa e kosi Ivorian Ghana and Ivorian border. Lake Bosom Chida ho yen connecting no. Wo hwe Volta Lake so a chronic fin and mining in amfifi. Why na wo pese otwika 14 hours. Se tomatoes kra na boliga 14 ya na se e cashew nota. Na otwika no 14 hours. Enfamra kra se oba be ship no ma no e de akọ Europe and ase o de ko Germany. Enyambaso. Ghana is the heart of Africa. We have a peaceful country. Ahanye bebia obekhu it say Nigeria na asankofo so mo beko obi abeba ha abeto bibi na mo mesese prepare hu. I am talking about coastal transportation because the future of Ghana and Africa will be based on industrial revolution and it's about to start. That is us making sure that we manufacture our resources so we don't go out there to buy it again. Because the people who are taking our resources, bauxite, we go back to China to buy aluminium and bring it back after they go and refine it. So I don't want that. I want to be able to introduce industrialization and let our children, let the nation, our country learn how to turn the bauxite material to alumina and then from there to aluminium. Okay. This process, 1, 2, 3, can create 100,000 jobs in one plant or two plants. And I'll tell you why. Because this plant, they are robots. They work 24 hours. Meaning that people will start working 8-hour shifts. So you agree to the 24-hour policy? I don't agree to any 24-hour policy. I agree to a 24-hour shift if you have industrial power. Okay. I don't know any 24-hour policy you're talking about, but what I'm saying... What I'm talking about, I'm referencing what former President John Dramani Mahama said. What did he say? How do you understand what he said? Well, he says that we're going to ensure that the economy runs 24 hours. And so how did you understand that? You are saying that means that, I mean, just like we have in New York and the other places, yes, we're going to have businesses run 24 hours. So you don't have to wait till morning before you can go and even apply for a passport. How are you going to let... That is what you are saying something and you're trying to refer me to him. But I'm saying that if somebody says something, they have to have an explanation how that 24-hour is going to... I'm giving you how 24-hour shift work is going to happen. It happens through industrialization because it's a machine that is working 24 hours. If he said that, it's different. He did not say that. So I'm not referring to what he's saying. And I think that you have understood what he's saying without knowing how it's going to be done. No, you can't judge just because you're... Oh, because I thought that's what you were saying. No, I was just asking so you're taking your words back. No, I'm not taking it back. I'm just asking you that, are you referencing what the former president had also said? I wouldn't be here saying what I don't know. I'm only talking about what I understand. you know, and what I know is best in terms of industrialization. Because if people work from 8 to 6 and there's another person coming to take over the shift from 8 to 12 and 12 to 8 and it's going on and on. For me, my interest is the 3 ways of creating jobs.
Okay.
And so if the workers are 10,000 by 8 to 6, you have another 10,000 coming in after and after. So instead of creating 10,000 jobs, now it's 30,000 jobs.
Okay.
And I think this happens everywhere in the world that is well developed. You know, they have their industrial areas and, you know, they create a lot of things and they sell to the world.
Okay.
On my BID, it's not by importation. On my BID, is by industrialization. It means that Ubema or citizens omode omonsa aye juma na sabi omatimi akwan anim. Na Ghana de aye say obia sorry ameko China, meko Dubai, meko fa niama. Eno na aba. Enti e na dollar eba fami. Eba fama na eye nkofo de enu so eye omoya. Because dollar number fama, it means more importation. That's what is going to happen. Ghana, baby aye do no. We are being robots. It's time SCA creative kaka. How do you become creative? Some mefa adie na madane dane no na maye di bibinam dia ma obi na sabe menya sika kase wo ho. Yehwe Ghana na nse ye ne ehu se wo hwe omam ti se Burkina Faso Ibrahim Traoré watimi adane the fortunes of Burkina Faso through what industrialization. Nyama na ye wo ha no si etimi de bibi ka ho a the value goes up to about 10%. No 100% even. It be 1,000%. Because only maybe by adding value, no, you are placing what? By adding something to it, you are placing what more value to it. So what can say obi enye na unkofa? It means me ma obi a owo kofu from ejuma. Na sa me wa na me si factory na me ame farming nkofo a. It means me ma Ghana for ejuma. The second two is that sika na yebenya no ebetena Ghana. And that dollar ya we are also spectacle. Because maybe you feel say artificial. Because Ghana is not really producing that much. So besides say, why is the dollar falling? Is it artificial? But a ye kura sebe and ye peja ye industry ye and as I say ye producing yama ka people will be, you know, a bit on back camp to say the value of dollar na cost no a real. But people think say any real because we are still importing in high volumes. Sabi yenye hwe Ghana. And on a chada say on your bar, massa, the drive should be what? Industrialization. Me say ye the yensa ebeye juma. And na watch and say obakwa na most of our niema ye go diamond niema obe nationalizing no. It means say obe GF your brofun sem now we investing in what? Say ye betu yade. Ye tu yade wi a afa de ye ba be manufacture ni yade e bit say steel. Uyi wa ha yetimi ya ne de cars adenti na ye konya kofa bi aba ne ya ye wa ne de akonom de omo ye car no matombre se obi fast steel baako no de kwa brochi a otimi produce about 4 or 5 cars. The value of that car no ontimi fan compare the value of the steel na chefem no eno na ye racha daika opa che se Ghana ba bi ye do ne de we need to produce more na mnim say 2028 de e de aba ne ebe ma chada na kwa mbadi ako new force ye gina so Xposed Chefem Bambro, subscribe, share. Really too man I can be manual.
Keep watching Expo GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.